Hi guys, Don back here for doing something different today. I'm gonna do a avocado mash, and it's a very famous guy. It's a vegan meal. If you want to use a gluten-free bread, it's a gluten-free vegan. You guys are gonna love this one, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. And salt and pepper and lemon juice, 2 spoons of lemon juice. If you can use a bottled lemon juice, you feel free to. If you want a fresh one, it's up to you guys. And 2 pieces of bread and 2 pieces of egg for the poached egg. It's coming up from there. Okay, first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the avocado. So I'm gonna cut the avocado and take the skin off. And put it up there. I just want to tell you guys, make sure when you choose the avocado, get one ripe properly. Some pinch of salt and pepper, as much as you want. And I'm gonna put lemon juice up there. Then I'm gonna cut some coriander. If you're not happy with coriander, if you don't like coriander, you feel free not to use it. If you want to use parsley but this is the mother dish. If you put the coriander, it's give you the more flavor, right taste of this Mashed-Avocado. So I'm gonna chop them up. And you're gonna mix it there, and you're gonna use a spoon to mash it up properly. Make sure you mash it up really well, and it gives you more flavor. So once it get done, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna butter my piece of bread, sourdough bread. You feel free to use any bread you like, but I'm gonna use the sourdough bread. That's my favorite bread. I'm gonna use the toaster, or you can use the toaster oven to toast the bread. So I'm gonna put 1 minute each side and let it brown, and then I'm gonna plate it up here. So I'm gonna make my poached egg now. So if you follow my other videos, it shows you how to do a poached egg. But if you feel free to follow it up, but I'm gonna do the poached egg right now. 2 poached egg for each piece of bread. Get the poached egg out. It's nearly ready, guys. It's nice and soft. If you feel it's like a boobs, that's how it should be. Okay, once you mash it, it should be like this. You make sure you taste it before you layer on the bread. You should put some salt and pepper according to your taste. Yum. I feel the taste of lemonish, salty. You have to try this one according to what I said. So my bread is ready now, so I'm gonna place on the plate, and I'm gonna get my avocado mash. So I'm gonna apply on it. Oh yeah, that's the right texture. Look at it. It's not so runny, but it's not much thicker too. So you put 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and it's gonna give you the perfect taste. So what I'm gonna do, then I'm gonna put my runny poached egg on top. So once you put the poached egg, it won't be a vegan, but if you feel free to have it without a poached egg. I have some ready-made balsamic reduce, so I'm gonna garnish it that. You feel free to use it if you want it. This is how we prepare the avocado mash. It's so healthier, you know. You can present to your kids or your friends, your family member. This is something really unique and different. Okay, now I'm gonna try, you guys, how it's gonna taste. I hope it's not. Oh, you guys, thank you for watching this video, and I just want a big help from you guys. Please subscribe me and follow me, Cooking with the Brown Chef. See you guys, see you next time with another different video.